Themerella app, another app for wallpaper and widgets, another AI app. Personalize your home and lock screen with live wallpapers and widgets. Welcome to Themerella, all-in-one customization studio for dynamic wallpapers, widgets, and stylish themes. Turn videos into live wallpapers. Do-it-yourself wallpaper creator, lock screen widgets. So here you can just see experience iOS 26 wallpaper, live wallpaper, iOS 18 control center, standby widgets. So yeah, another app, there are much more popular and probably cheaper apps, but sometimes when they release some new apps, they might have some nice deals, to get more users, some lifetime deals, some big discounts. So you can just kind of check it out and use it to see, you can just save on this app compared to some bigger ones which don't have these huge discounts anymore. But yeah, the app is quite large, and also sometimes yeah, I'm just trying to show you because sometimes this kind of apps can be not that safe. And then you can just create your account, and then you can see it like that, and then you can just log in, sign up, and then you can see perks, and then you can just add coins, and then you can just get more coins. So that's the idea.